wondering why are there parts in the prayers that we have to repeat several times, such as the part Hashem Melech, Hashem Malach, or perhaps I don't know, the one on the Kira Shema Amidah, when we say Ine Mitato Shel Shlomo, and that one has to be repeated 3 times. So I was just wondering why is that?
You have to look at the commentary about this twice repeated in the Mesukit Zimra, Hashem Melech, Hashem Malach. I think even in the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch he says, but I would not remember exactly the reason. But it was a very good reason, and actually, like Ashkenazi custom is to sit, but the Sephardic custom they actually all of them rise, right? When this Shliach Tzibur, when he gets to this word, so everybody rises. Okay, that's what I noticed. I mean, like what? Everybody, what's going on? We're still not there, but that's their custom. Okay, no problem. It's in Kitzur for sure. I remember learning, but from the top of my head, I don't remember the reason exactly. Okay, what else? Or maybe Hashem Melech, maybe in upper world, in this world. I guess that's a logical guess. So meaning, so Hashem is alive. He's going to live. He lived. He is alive, and he's going to live. Yeah. Forever. Okay.
Think that way.
Yes, but that's as I said, it's my guess. Of course, there could be like more proper explanation, but that's my guess. Okay, what else? I'm listening. Yeah.
This part of the Amidah, when we say Morit Chatal, speaking about the dew. He says that Hashem makes the dew come down. So I don't know. I don't know if I remember that I read some part on the prologue of the prophet Eliyahu when it mentions Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, sort of explaining that the dew is like the Shekhinah of Hashem, like the divine presence. When he refers to this dew, it's like the Shekhinah when he's present, even in the diaspora, even when to the Jews that are scattered amongst the earth. I was just wondering if this part of Morit Hatal kind of refers to this Shekhinah. I was wondering.
I mean, here they said literally. No, I mean, it's also it could be spiritual sense, but the dew is also always good. So rain is maybe good, maybe not good, depends on the season, right? But dew is always been beneficial, right? So nobody suffers from a dew, right? So it's falls in the morning, like from I don't know what time it falls from the dawn, I guess, until the sunrise, and then it dries up. So, but all of your vegetations actually benefit from that. So I mean, while you sleep, it does not bother you, right? It does not interfere with your daily activities, and it's beneficial. So it's always good, yeah. And plus, dew is like Kabbalistically, it's dew of resurrection of the dead, also, right? So also connection. But here in this blessing, we mean like. Literal, like straightforward. It's a literal understanding that it's due, like we know. It's good. It's good because when you have food, when you have sustenance, so it's you can survive in this world. If the dry food prices up, that's who can survive. You understand? So, and our goal as a Jew, so we just want to be left alone from all of these people. And we want to just learn Torah and serve Hashem, and that's it. We don't need they have plans to take over the world. Who needs that world to govern all these animals, right? Who cannot control themselves? Who needs that headache? Let them govern themselves. Yeah, you understand? We just want to be secluded with our books, observe our holidays, and that's it. And you govern the world. You're very talented, not just very talented. They are capable of running the world. They can be the best doctors, even Jewish better doctors, but those doctors also good doctors. right? So let them take care of the world. Okay. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I have a question about rain.
Go ahead.
Like, would it be the ideal state of the world that we don't have rain, but instead like moisture kind of be produced from the ground? Because I remember, I don't know if I'm quoting this properly, but correctly, sorry, but I think in the Gemara in Baba Metzia 35, I guess it is, that it mentions that because of the merits of the pains of Rabbi Akadosh, it would not rain upon the earth. Rather, the ground would have its own moisture. So that's a very high, like a meritorious state for the world. So I was wondering if this is like the ideal state of the world instead of having rain.
Okay, so I'm not sure what is it literally like that or not literally like that, the state of the world. So HaShem changed the nature, like to show all of us that this Rabbi Kadosh was very Kadosh and was very special and very dear to him, right? But HaShem created nature in a perfect, perfect design. So whatever he created works perfectly. So now and go to adjust it, that's it means that initial design was not perfect. Understand? That's the problem. So some adjustment like here and there, like that's not a problem, but temporary. But on a permanent basis, absolutely not. So the rain is the best that can happen. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. You're welcome. What else?
So on that same lane of the rain, and now that we mentioned dew as well, I believe I read in Parashat Chazinu that it explains. I mean, the commentary kind of delves into this concept between rain and dew, and it says that the people that are very, very committed to the Torah, like Talmidei Chachamim, the knowledge kind of fall upon them as rain, whereas those that are not so committed to the study of the Torah, the knowledge falls upon them as dew, because dew doesn't bother anyone. It's like very soft and it's very easy to deal with, so to speak. So I was wondering if this is also kind of referring to the problems that this type of people have to deal with.
I think so, yeah.
If this says that the knowledge of the Torah falls upon Talmidei Chachamim as rain, which is very strong, I was wondering if this is the reason why they have to deal with a lot of hardships throughout their life compared to those who are not so committed to studying Torah.
So I'm not sure if all of them go through a lot of hardship. Maybe yes, maybe no, and many times it depends how you look at your situation. So if you look at the situation like end of the world every time, so yeah, it's a lot of hardship. But if you see like your situation is actually good for you, right? You're just going through the difficulties, but despite of that, you're still alive. You still place to live and food to eat, and that family is clothed and everything is good. So it's not such a big tribulation then. Understand? So it's all that depends on perspective how we look at the things. So, but knowledge of the Torah is rain. It's good, but they can absorb it. So if rain falls in the wrong place, if rain falls in the deserts, there is no benefit for that. Understand? So these ignorant people who do not want to learn, if you give them a lot of Torah knowledge, they would not use it. They just forget the next day. Understand? But this Torah scholar, it would take this rain and try to absorb it and use it and spread out. So that's very beneficial. So for him, it's very beneficial. And just a little dew would not be beneficial for him, right? It's not enough. He wants more, right? So like even though I know many people say, I will learn with you, stuff like that. I said, what do you learn? We want 1 minute video. Okay, that's if you want to like stab me in the heart, that's what you say. Okay, we have a very nice 1 minute video, but that's not learning. It was like prerequisite to get you interested, get you in, and actually start learning the whole class. Like if you learn 1 minute video, so it's such a waste. I mean, for these people, let them learn. I don't like, but that was not an intention. It was like free advertisement, if you can say that. You understand? So for these people, they if they can handle only 1 minute learning, you give them 1.5 hour class, so they do not want to do. They're not going to even look at it. Watch it. You understand? So for them, it's a waste of time. But somebody who wants to learn, who wants to absorb, wants to have take notes, because they have exactly books like like us, and understand better what it says in the book. Yeah, for that person, it's like Talmid Chacham. It's very beneficial. This train 1 hour class. That's very beneficial. And 1 minute of class, yes, it's good to get some idea from the Torah, but it's not learning. It's something like a snack. It's not the food. You cannot survive on candies, right? Candy is good, but you need bread, you need meat, you need potatoes, right? Pasta, all other things, vegetables. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi. That was nice. Thank you very much.
Yes, but still, I get so many we learn the Torah from these videos. It's unbelievable. Let them learn. Hopefully, that one day they're going to switch to more serious stuff. But okay, until now, let it be like this. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.